Hello and welcome to TC Toolbox. My name is Glenn Keller, and in this episode of Break It, Learn It, we are going to go into the Task Manager and take a look at the Java processes in the Task Manager. Now, I have a rich client, active workspace, deployment center, and a Business Modeler IDE all open here in the background. And what we're going to do here is just come in and take a look at what we might want to destroy. So in this case, this one's going to be a little bit more obvious, but if I come in and look, there is a Business Modeler IDE component here. It's bouncing around a little bit on me. So you can reorder them by name to get them in alphabetical order if you're having a little bit of hard time going in and killing this process. But you can see my Business Modeler IDE is here. I'm going to right click and say just in task on this. And what you're going to see is that BMIDE actually just kind of closed over here. Now, if I go into the details and I killed that Business Modeler IDE process, you see the Business Modeler IDE died. And what I'm looking for here is just some residual executable or something that's hung because I did it that way. It shouldn't be. I see a Teamcenter one here, but that's related to my rich client. And then I'm not really seeing anything else that's hung for the BMIDE. So then if that happens, if you accidentally kill it, there's no harm as long as you had saved, because it didn't really have a chance to save. So then you just double click the BMIDE again, launch it as admin, and it should load up. You do want to kind of worry about the state of the template as it was killed. Like if you had done that during a save, or if you had done that during something along the lines of a save, maybe you were loading a report, whatever you were doing is probably cut because you just killed that executable. You may get an error when you load this back up, and if you do, I highly recommend just kind of going back to your last snapshot of it, or taking a look at your templates. If you had stored your BMIDE changes in your templates, take those templates out and then roll back and add the templates back in. Those are different ways that we could get back from this. In this case, I do have a template loaded in this Business Modeler IDE, and everything loads up just fine. So if you accidentally kill that Business Modeler IDE process in there, then it will absolutely break down your Business Modeler IDE application.